Check out this 2020 Volvo VNL860 for sale at American Motors. This Volvo features a 77-inch sleeper boasting dual sleeper windows, LED headlights for optimal vision on the road, a clean frame, deep rubber, full fairings, and a 2/64 ratio for optimal fuel economy. Spec'd with a 230-inch wheelbase, drum brakes all around, 200 gallons of fuel capacity, with only 451,000 miles on the truck and boasting of 425 horsepower on a Volvo D13 engine and an I-Shift automatic transmission, it has everything you need. As you climb in the cab, you will find complete comfort with dual air ride seats, a digital dash, smart wheel, fridge, dinette, and a second bunk for total comfort while you're on the road. If you're looking for a Volvo 860 or any other truck, give American Motors a call today.